In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alert in Metatrader 5 Mobile. Here's the key thing to understand up front. In the Metatrader 5 mobile app, you can't create price alerts directly the way you can on the desktop version. Instead, your phone receives alerts as push notifications that are created and managed on MT5 desktop. So the workflow is simple. Connect your phone to your MT5 account using a unique ID. Set the alert on your computer and let MT5 send the notification to your phone when price hits your level. Start by getting your MetaQuotes ID on your phone. Open the MT5 app, go to Settings, then tap Messages. You'll see your MetaQuotes ID listed there. This is a unique identifier that links your phone to your MT5 platform so it knows where to send notifications. Copy it and keep it handy. You'll paste it into the desktop settings in a moment. If you don't see an ID right away, make sure the app is installed from an official store and you're connected to the internet. Next, move to MT5 on your computer to create the actual alert. Open MT5, press Ctrl+T to bring up the toolbox and go to the Alerts tab. Right-click inside that window and choose Create. In the alert settings, pick the symbol you want, like EURUSD. Choose the condition, for example, price above or price below, and enter the exact value where you want the alert to trigger. Then, in the action or delivery type, select notification or push notification. This is what tells MT5 to send the alert to your phone rather than just playing a sound on your computer. Confirm the settings, and your alert will be ready to fire the moment price reaches your target. Now enable push notifications so MT5 knows where to send them. In MT5 on your computer, go to Tools, then Options, and open the Notifications tab. Check Enable. Push notifications, paste your MetaQuotes ID from the mobile app, and click Test. You should receive a test message on your phone almost instantly, confirming the connection is working. From here on, when price hits your level, your phone will receive a push notification right away, even if the MT5 mobile app isn't open. For best results, keep your internet connection stable on both devices and make sure your phone allows notifications from MT5. That's all there is to it. Get your MetaQuotes ID on mobile, set the alert on desktop, enable push notifications, and let MT5 do the rest.